What it do, YouTube? It's your boy KoolieBKoolin in the building. Y'all already know, man, I'm bringing y'all another epic video, man. Man, look like the weather want to give, you know, come on out and do what it got to do. I ain't doing it to the best, but it's going to be decent, man. We got a couple decent days this weekend coming up. Yeah, what's that on my shoe? Yeah, we got a couple. Hot right now, too, man. Y'all see I'm bundled up crazy, too, because I'm about to step outside. You know what I'm saying? But, man, this weekend, we got some decent weather coming up, man. It's supposed to be 40-some degrees, 50-some degrees, either I think Saturday, Sunday, or something like that. So, I'm going to be in Mexico, man. I got somebody I'm supposed to line up with, so we're going to see if we can make that happen. If not, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a couple other boys in Mexico. Now that y'all know that I'm going to be in Mexico either Saturday or Sunday, because it's supposed to be nice. So, ain't nothing to it just to pull up there, you know what I'm saying? And get some action if that's what you want, man. But, man, get my little sip of this Koolie juice. Y'all know what it is, man. Yes, sir. Well, that stuff's so tasteful, strong, all the good stuff in it. You feel me? But, man, I've been getting a couple people ask me about things about the truck and stuff like that. You know, when they see the traffic, how it sits so aggressive and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go out there and show y'all the reason why it's sitting that aggressive and what's done as far as to the HAWKEYE, you know what I'm saying? The reason why it sit like the way it sit and what's that, man. So this y'all first time checking this video out, man, and you ain't part of the Koolie gang, man, go ahead, hit the button. Boop, right there. Hit the button. Subscribe. Yes, sir. And that like button too. You know what I'm saying? Then the one that got the other arrow over there, hit that one too and share it with somebody, you feel me? But y'all already know, man, we about to go ahead and step on out here and get this for y'all. I'm getting all dark and stuff. We about to go ahead and step on out and get this for y'all, man. So let's spin on outside and let's get to the video. Ha! Woo! Let that sun shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Yeah. That's what we need, man. But y'all see, man, HAWKEYE, let me go ahead and bag up so y'all get that mega stance of how she looking, you know what I'm saying? But, man, she sits so aggressive, and the way she sit and everything is just crazy to me. Like, I actually had looked at another one I saw. It was identical, same color and everything like that. It had like the gray 20s on there or something, and it just didn't give off that same vibe. Y'all see I'm out here freezing. I got this on and the hood. It's whoo. That weather done kicked in the minute I done stepped out here, man. I think it's what, 15 degrees or something like that, but it's sunny. But it's no, sir, I gotta bundle up, Jack. I ain't trying to be catching no cold, man. I gotta stay healthy and nice and Gucci all the way. March 7th coming up, man. I ain't trying to have no cold and no, I can't do that, man. But man, let's go ahead and get to it though, man. So when I purchased this truck, I actually got blessed, y'all, that it came with these wheels right here, y'all. Came with these Velgen wheels, man. Come to find out, these wheels right here are something that a lot of Trackhawk owners end up bolting their trucks on. You know what I'm saying? So when I initially got this vehicle, I wasn't really feeling the 22s. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, because I was just, you know, I'm just such a 4G type of guy, something like that, that's what I really had wanted, you know what I'm saying? 4G Alano or something, you know, 3-piece brush wheel or something like that. So I'm like, I ain't really care for them too much. But the longer I done had the truck, the more it's growing on me. You know what I'm saying? Like now, I'm in love with the rims. You know what I'm saying? I still, man, shout out cuz and my homie Ken them, man. They out there on them brush things with the same color. They got me really ready to go brush wheel now. But man, I'm in a dilemma. I'm trying to debate if I should wrap the vehicle and keep these on here or go ahead and go with a 26, you know what I'm saying, a Volano, a 4G Auto, you know what I'm saying, some 3-piece. You know we got to put that 3-piece on here, man. I ain't, you know, that's just the way I'm trying to come if I do that, you know what I'm saying, and then leave it silver, you know what I'm saying, so it'll be silver on the brush wheel or we go crazy on the wrap and then leave it on these. But, man, these things are nice, man, I ain't gonna lie. Got the truck like this, man. It was a blessing. It came with the Pirelli Scorpion joints on there. Let me see, I gotta twist this joint around so y'all can see that though. But that's the size right there. 305, 35, 22s that's sitting on here, man. You know what I'm saying? And it filled the wheel well up perfect. But what y'all did not know also on top of this is that even the back, if y'all look at Trackhawks, y'all know the back sit up high too. You know what I'm saying? And the front kind of sit up high too. But man, it was just God blessing on how I ended up getting this vehicle and everything and finding this, because I didn't even realize, you know what I'm saying, the lick that I really caught, you know what I'm saying? So this thing already has lowering springs on there. You know, I had even told a guy that had one that, you know, I was thinking about lowering and everything, and then you know, he's like, man, you know, you cool where you at right there. You lowered it, it look good. He like, and plus, if I was to go with them springs or whatever, the lowering kit, he like, they on back order for damn near like a month or something like that. So, man, I know a lot of people that be sitting there waiting, and they waiting to get it. I got it the minute I left off the lot with it. You know what I'm saying? So, the back, just to let y'all know right here, man, the back is, what is it? The back, is it the back or is it the front? Okay, so the back is 1.5 inches lowered, and then the front is 1 inch lower. And the way you can tell is this gap is low. And like I say, the 22s help fill it in too. Mind you, these tires gotta come off. These tires, they gotta come off. These are winter tires, man. These are snow tires, all season tires, you know what I'm saying? They made for the winter time. So these, your boy ain't gonna be getting nowhere no time soon with these, you know what I'm saying? It's cool to get around, but that's why y'all see me spinning them and everything like that, you know what I'm saying? I mean, they not designed to hook and book or nothing like that, man. I really need to go ahead and stop playing with y'all and go ahead and order up some 20s and go ahead and put them radials on here, and then y'all really gonna see me really acting bad about the hole, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know, man. I'm just gonna keep it right now hard tire wise, and we're gonna see what it do. But man, I gotta shout out my man's Jared, bro. Man, it's crazy how blessings just come to you, you know what I'm saying? If you're doing right in life, you know, you just staying on track, you know, trying to go about the right path and everything like that. My man's gave me a whole new set of tires. I mean, they used tires, but they are pretty much fresh. He only drove them for a second, you know what I'm saying? And for him to just bless me with them, man, big ups to you, broski. Dead serious. That was some real stuff you did right there, man. Man, look at Black Beauty. Oh my God, it's so damn sunny. I want to pull on out today, man. I might have to go ahead and move HAWKEYE up out the way and go ahead and get that. But man, let me show y'all what he blessed me with, man. And like I say, he didn't have to do, he could have sold it to me and all that, man. He just told me like, man, come pick them up and they yours, you know what I'm saying? So now I got some tires for March 7th that I can swap on out without having to go and doing the radials and all that, finding some 20s and all that. So what I got right here is some Michelin Pilot Sport Cup demonstrations. Yes, sir. If y'all know about these things, they some good ass tires. Same size too though, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna sit the same 305, 35, 22. But look, gave me a fresh, I mean, 4 tires. Look at the tread. Look at the tread. Look how much tread I got on these. Like, bro, that was some, bro, that you don't understand, man. That, man, I got to thank you to the most top off, man, because these tires alone, I don't know what they cost. I'm going to look them up, but I know they ain't cheap. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if they like $300-400 a tire maybe or something like that, whatever it is, but 4 of them add up, you feel me? Like, you'll be out of 2,000 or something real quick. You know what I'm saying? If they a nick a tire, but, man, I need to go ahead and pull her on out, y'all. It's so damn sunny. What? Hold on. What's this on the side of her? Oh, no, yeah. Hold on. Oh, no, yeah. We got to pull Black Beauty on out. Oh, I'm going to have to say that for another video. Damn. Don't tell me we ain't going to be able to ride this weekend, y'all. Hold on. We got fluid leaking back here crazy. God damn, I hope that ain't a front seal. I hope. Oh, man. Finna have to hit the chassis man up and see what's good with that, because like I say, this weekend's supposed to be nice. I ain't spent Black Beauty in so long that I got to, man. But, man, I got blessed with them tires, man. That's a blessing right there. I'm just blessed to be alive, doing what I'm doing out here, providing this content for y'all. Let me go ahead and close this garage up. As soon as I get done with this video, I'm on the phone with the chassis, man. I cannot do this, you know what I'm saying? I gotta take that over there, get that rear end stuff fixed. I knew I had a leak, a little minor leak, but never really paid it no attention crazy like that till now, because I saw fluid damn near all up underneath the tire and everything like that. But it is what it is, man. Ain't nothing to it. Just go ahead and get it fixed up. But man, you know, HAWKEYE, the reason she sit like this, so if y'all want to know, matter of fact, damn, I forgot to even let y'all know the name of the rims too. The name of the rims is Velgen Classic 5s. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them and go up or what I'm gonna do yet, man. Like I said, I like the stance. I'm thinking about keeping them, wrapping the whole truck something crazy, or taking them off and putting them on there. But the next question now is, now that I know that my truck is lowered, will the 26 fit on here? Because I'm not about to put a 24 on this truck, you know what I'm saying? So now the question is, can we squeeze a 6 on here with the back being lowered 1.5 inches and the front being lowered 1 inch in the front? Are we gonna be able to put a 6 on there? I feel like we probably are, because like I say, oh man, phone ringing again, man. Phone, cut. All right, y'all, man, we back in it. But what I was saying, though, the reason I feel like a 26 will fit, if these are 305, 35, 22s, so that means if I went down to, okay, let's just say I would go to a 295, 30, 24 should be equivalent to this, and a 295, 25, 26 should be equivalent to this same size. So if that's the way it is, this, I almost cursed, man. I'm trying to slow down on the cursing on the channel too, just cause, man, but I just be so turned and everything. This is just the way I talk, it is what it is. So we ain't even finna cut it out. This don't look so crazy on 6s. Would it lowered? What? Would it lowered on 6s? Oh my God, dude, it's gonna look so insane, man. But man, y'all, I need y'all to let me know, man. What would y'all do, man? I need to know, what would y'all like me to do? Y'all would like it on a 6? With the silver on silver, or, man, I'm telling y'all, if I wrap it, I'm going epic on the wrap. You feel me? I'm going all the way with the wrap. It ain't going, I guarantee I had the hardest Hawk wrapped. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't trying to sound cocky or none of that, because I seen a lot. So if I'm coming with it, I'm going to come with it on that wrap, man. I got to come with it, man, on the real. That's just how I am, man. When I go in on something, I goes all the way, man. So need y'all to let me know, what would y'all do, man? But man, shout out Jared again, man, on them tires. Them things definitely needed, so probably get them things mounted up sometime next week. I'm gonna go ahead and see, you know, about getting them done, you know, so I could drive them on down there like that. Cause I ain't gonna put no radios on there for that event, man. You know what I'm saying? If y'all boys can't get away from me on these, ain't even no point me putting the radio on now. If I get whooped and all that down there, something like that, and and it's cause I was spinning and stuff like that, best believe I'm coming back, or before I even come back, them things gonna be on order. 20s with the radios, all that, man, coming back, pulleys, all that extra stuff, you know what I'm saying? I just can't taking an L that good. I'm a good winner and loser, you know what I'm saying? But I just know, if you beat me, bro, I'm coming back for you. That's just what it is. Like, I just got to. That's just how I am, man. The competitiveness in me just ain't gonna let it go, man. But man, I'm gonna end this video. I ain't gonna keep talking y'all ear off and everything like that. That's just, you know, some fun facts about the Hawkeye that y'all didn't know that when I purchased it, and just a bonus of it, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, rims and tires alone, they gotta be a bit of $2,500 to $3,000, you know what I'm saying? I mean, the tires alone gotta be about $2 or so, you know what I'm saying? I don't know the prices, but y'all can go ahead and Google the prices of that stuff, man. Contact Velgen, though, if y'all want, man, because Velgen got some banging wheels, man. And another bonus that I gotta let y'all know is that Velgen wheels are lightweight wheels. So these are lighter. These 22s are actually lighter than the 20s that come from the factory on here, man. So that's just another fun fact, man. But man, we got big things coming for Hawkeye, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video out with a nice young cold start for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Come on, baby, Hawkeye, open them wings. Yep. The little smoke that y'all see that come out of there, I guess that's just what happened once you do like that mid muffler delete. So it ain't nothing like that. I done seen it on a couple other people that did that or have. I think it's something with that, but if it is, or if y'all think it's a problem or something, like I say, it's cold out here, let me know, man. But you know what time it is, man. We about here, gang. See y'all in the next video. Bye.